And that's how founder Ralph King used his business acumen and heritage to make Dua Hygienics the fourth largest producer of travel bidets in the United States. As a new employee, we welcome you into our story, into our family, and into our success. Welcome aboard. All finished with the orientation video?
Yes, sir. You didn't mention that you were the star.
A fine performance from my younger years. Okay, let's get you settled into your desk and I'll introduce you to everyone at lunch. Sid will always be a part of this place. But now this is your desk. The onboarding manual is right there, has all of your login information in it. Go ahead and start looking over the accounting process. We can go over everything after lunch.
Okay, thanks.
Dua hygienic employees. Friends, that inevitable day has occurred. Mr. Ralph King has passed on. Please follow the protocols we have prepared for this event. Entry to the facility is barred and cellular devices are now blocked within 300 feet of the property line. Please prepare accordingly and meet in the employee break room to celebrate Mr. King's time on this earth.
Wow, what a first day you're having. Come on, let's go into the break room. Let me first say, Rose, you did a fantastic job getting this cake on such short notice.
It was going to be Benny's birthday cake for Thursday.
Well, then thanks to Benny for sharing. Well, everyone, while I certainly understand the sadness and the uncertainty that comes with change, I myself am excited that this day is upon us. Praise Dua and the great Ralph King.
To Dua Hygienics.
Praise Dua.
Here's to Ralph King.
Cheers.
Eat your cake, dear.
I've got high blood sugar. Sweets tend to make me sick.
That's okay. Go ahead and eat your cake.
No, I'm good. Thanks. What's wrong? What's wrong? Are you okay? Hey, what's happening? Help! Please help! Open the door, help!
No cake for you, Mr. Longbrau?
High blood sugar. Are you Ralph King?
No, Mr. King has passed. I'm Deputy Director George Montero.
What are you doing to that lady?
Well, I have an MBA from Northwestern, but here I am embalming a human body. I do feel bad that this would happen on your first day. Given time, we hoped you would become part of the Dua family and replace Sid to dutifully and eternally serve Ralph King in the afterlife.
An eternity of selling portable travel bidets?
Cleanliness is next to godliness, Mr. Longbrau. You must have pride in your calling. Now, I'm very busy, and you're sealed 30 feet underground with no exit. We had hoped you would have cake with us, but no. This morning, I woke as head of domestic accounts. Now I'm an embalmer and assassin. This life has its moments.
All the old paintings on the tombs that do the sand dance, don't you know? If they move too quick, away, oh, they're falling down like a domino. Foreign types with the hookah pipes say, way away, walk like an Egyptian. Walk like an Egyptian.